Here's a very interesting survivor car. It's a 1965 Olds F85 442 Holiday. Holiday meaning the hardtop. Under the hood here we have a 400 cubic inch engine, and there's a Muncie 4-speed transmission. And we have some very interesting history facts here about the 442 option. And in the windshield we're going to see a lot more about the car. Very nice under the hood here. All the numbers are matching. Updated headlights have been added. And here we have a history of the car and any replacements that have been done. You can pause the video at any point here to read the description. Every effort has been made to keep it original, except for the few replacement things here. And the necessary maintenance to check for any oil leaks and so on. All the gaskets have been replaced and so on. So it's been maintained, but it's been allowed to keep its original interior. And right there you see the hubcaps and red line tires. And it's as original as possible. So it's a great car, and as the owner points out, it's pretty neat to not worry about where you park it because of parking lot dings and so forth. It's a car meant to be driven. There you see the 4-speed Muncie there on the 4. It has a Hurst shifter, which was a part of the original option list. It's neat to have a car that you don't have to worry about any little dings or scratches. It's meant to be used. So I'm glad the owner brought it out to the show today. As surprising as it is, I only have one other 1965 F85 442 on my list of all the videos that I've done. Very nice car.